In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up social media metadata in Yoast SEO. We're going to walk through the key settings that control how your content appears when it's shared on platforms like Facebook and X, formerly Twitter. Setting this up properly helps your pages look more polished, more clickable, and more consistent across social channels. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. From there, open SEO and then click Settings. This is where Yoast stores the main configuration options for your site, including the features that affect social sharing. Once you're in Settings, navigate to Site Basics. Here, fill out the site representation section with the appropriate details for your website, whether that's an organization or a person. This information helps search engines and social platforms better understand who the site represents, and it supports cleaner metadata across your content. Next, go to Site Features and make sure the Open Graph toggle is turned on. Open Graph metadata is what allows social platforms, especially Facebook and many messaging apps, to pull in the correct title, description, and image when someone shares one of your links. If this setting is off, your content may not display the way you expect. While you're still in these global settings, set a default image. This image acts as a fallback whenever a post or page doesn't have its own social sharing image assigned. It's a good safety net because it prevents link previews from appearing blank or using an unintended image. After that, open the page or post editor for the content you want to optimize. Inside the editor, open the Yoast SEO sidebar, or if you prefer, scroll down to the Yoast meta box at the bottom of the page. Both areas give you access to the same social settings. Within Yoast, click the social tab or icon. This is where you can customize how that specific page or post will appear on different platforms instead of relying only on the default settings. Under the Facebook tab, add a custom title and description, then upload a custom image. The recommended size here is 1200 by 630 pixels. Using a properly sized image helps ensure the preview looks clean and doesn't get awkwardly cropped. Try to keep your title clear and your description concise so it reads well in a social feed. Then switch to the X or Twitter tab, choose the card type you want to use, and then enter a custom title, description, and image. The ideal image size here is 1024 by 512 pixels. Matching the platform's preferred dimensions can make a noticeable difference in how professional your shared link looks. Once you've filled everything out, your social metadata will be much better prepared for sharing, giving you more control over how your content is presented across platforms.